Welcome back. In this lesson, I will show you how to add photos to your design. There are several ways how to do that. We can return to the same Canva editor page. As we already know, we can search for images in the Canva library. We can go to the left side menu and we will find photos. If you don't see here photos, then you can go to apps. And here you will find photos. Canva photo library is huge, and in most cases you will find a photo you like. Okay, let's do that. You can enter a keyword into the search field to get photos of your interest. For example, I am searching for photos related to travel. Now, how to add a photo to our design? The first way is just to click on the photo you like and it will appear in your design. The second way is to choose a photo and hold on the photo, then drag and drop it to editor. Note 3 dots on the photo in the library. Clicking on them displays more details about the photo. The name of the photo and its sources. You can click on View More photos from that sources. We see, is it this photo free or paid? You can also see photo keyword there. You can click on a keyword to see more photos with it. Also, you can star the photo and you will find this photo in the starred folder. If you don't see here on the left side menu start, you need to go to projects and here you will find start. Let's go back and 3 dots. Here we can add photo to folder. We can click on it and we can click create new. We can enter name. For example, I'm entering photos and add to new folder. Now I can choose any photo, 3 dots, and add to folder. And I see my folder, photos. I'm clicking on folder, and then I'm clicking add to folder. This folder we will find in the projects. We need to come back. Here I'm clicking this arrow. So projects, and we will find our folder, photos. And here you see, we have 2 photos which we added. So the first way, when we choose photos from photos. Next, we can search photos in the elements. On the left side menu, we see elements, and here we can enter the keyword. For example, I'm entering holidays, and we need to choose photos. I'm choosing photos and we see a lot of photos. So the second way, when we find photos in the elements and photos. And the third way is when we upload our photo. There are 2 ways to do that. The first way, when we go to uploads, here on the left side menu, uploads, and we click upload file. Then we can choose a photo and click open. And here you go. We see our photo in uploads and images. And the second way, I'm going to my folder. I'm taking the photo and dragging it to Canva. And here you go. I think this is the easiest and fastest way to upload photos. At the same time, we can take several photos. We can click Shift key on the keyboard and we can select several photos and we can drag it to Canva. And here you go. So we can easily upload photos from our computer. I will share some free sites where we can easily find free, good quality photos. First, Unsplash.com. Here we see a lot of themes. For example, I'm choosing travel, and now we can click this arrow and the photo will be in our downloads folder. Or we can click on the photo we like, and on the right side we will find download free. We can choose the size. For example, I'm choosing medium, and I will find the photos in my downloads folder. Next site is pixels.com. Here you will find a lot of photos. You can enter a keyword. For example, I'm entering background. And now we see a lot of backgrounds. We can choose a photo and we can click download. Or we can choose the photo, we can click on the photo, then go to the right side, free downloads, and we can choose the size. For example, I'm choosing large, and download selected size. Next page, pixabay.com. Here you see the themes. For example, I'm choosing landscape, and we see a lot of good quality photos. We can click on the photo, and we can choose the size and click download. Or we can enter a keyword to the search field. For example, I'm entering laptop. We can choose the photo, choose download, we can choose size, and click download. And the last page is free for commercial use.net. All the links I share can be found in the resources. So here we can click on the photo, and we can click download free. Now we can go to our Canva, we can add a page, we can open our downloads folder, we can select all the photos, and we can drag it to our Canva. And we will find all uploaded photos on the left side, uploads and images here. You are tired of paid photos? So I will share with you a trick how we can still search for a photo on Canva, but only for free. Let's go to the apps, click apps, and enter pixels to the search field. And we can choose this one app, click on it, and click open. And now you can search photos. For example, I'm entering team, and you will find only free photos. And next app, you can go to apps and enter Pixabay. This one, click on it and click open. And now you can enter a keyword and you will find all free photos from pixabay.com. Great, yes? You can also upload photos directly from Facebook. You can go to apps and enter Facebook. Choose Facebook and click open. Now you need to connect your account. Click continue. And here you go. You see all your photos from your Facebook account. You can add a page. You can choose the photo you want. And here you go. You can also take photos from Instagram. Go to apps and enter Instagram. Now select Instagram, click open and connect. And here you go. Now we have photos directly from Instagram. Great, yes? And the last one. We can upload photos directly from Google Drive. Go to Apps and enter Google Drive. We can choose Google Drive or Google Photos. We can open and connect. And here you go. Now we can see that we have a lot of folders open. Let's click on the cross and close the unnecessary folders. This way we'll organize the left side of the menu. So that's all about uploading photos. See you!